10 lines on my favorite fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. It is known as the king of fruits. It comes in the summer season. It is usually yellow or green in color. Mangoes are very sweet and juicy. It has one big seed inside. We can make shakes, pickles, and jams from mangoes. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. I love eating ripe mangoes with my family. Mango is the national fruit of India.